Yo, what is going on? So this is how to close Access Bank account online. So the first step is to download the account closure form. Visit the Access Bank's official website and download the account closure form. Fill out the form accurately. Complete the form with your account details and any other required information. Submit the form to an Access Bank branch. Take the completed form from your home branch or any Access Bank branch. Important notes: there are no charges for closing an Access Bank within 15 days of its opening. But if you close after 15 days of its opening, you will need to pay 500 rupees. Axis Bank allows you to close accounts at any branch. If you have a positive balance in your bank account, the bank will issue a check for the remaining fund. Conclusion: unfortunately, Axis Bank does not provide an online service to close an account. Customer must visit a branch to submit the account closure form. It's essential to ensure you have all the necessary information and documents ready before visiting the branch to avoid any delays or issues, and that is it.